시작했어.
시작?
유닛
Unit 8. 와, 너네 이거는 딱 보면 써 있어서 알 수 있지 않아? Hi, pet. Hi, Nan. Here, cat. A basketball. Thanks, Simon. You're welcome. Children, Simon, come, let's eat. I'm hungry.
패럿은 그냥 해? What a mess.
패러십. 어디 있어?
없으니까 그냥 해.
What a mess.
징.
칭.
뭐?
Ball. Ned, where is your ball? It's my ball. Where is yours? It's my ball. No, it's not. It's mine. It's mine. Oh no, my mom base is her favorite base. Ned, pet, please go to your room. It's hers. 하지 마.
징. Maybe Simon is with Jing.
Simon with Jing. Searching for Jing. G-I-N-G. Searching for Jing. Jing.
What a mess.
What a mess.
징도 What a mess.
What a mess.
하고 노래 불러.
야! 하지 말라고! When my mother comes into my room, she always says, what a mess, son, you better clean this up. She always says, what a mess, 무슨 books on your
Floor. Books on the floor. What a mess. Toys in your drawer.
What a mess.
Clothes
Clothes
on
on your bed, what a mess. Hair on your hair, what a mess. When my mother comes into my room, she always says, what a mess. Son, you better clean it up soon. She always says, what a mess. What a mess.
Look at the desk. What a mess. Your sister's dress. What a mess. Socks on the floor. What a mess. Please close your door. What a mess. 징. What a mess.
What a mess. Please help her tidy up, Jing. Here, put a
램p.
lamp on the desk. Pen, net. That's Mom. Pick. Okay, let me help you. Let's put the books on the shelf.
Let's put the computer.
Let's put the computer on the desk. The mouse is near the keyboard.
Now,
Now,
let's put the toys
the toys
back in the box. And the clothes.
and the clothes in the closet.
넷.
Look, here's the other ball. Pen, net. Here's the other ball. It's yours. No, it's yours. Okay, it's ours. It's there. Bye-bye.